This problem is the first time I heard on this video. I'm going to post this video in the comment section, so make sure you watch the entire video. It's not mine, it's someone in, I think in UK, England. So what happened is that this person, the owner, got a message about check electric vehicle system. That's how the message sounds. And if you Google up basically on Reddit, you will find a lot of these complaints. Now this person here did actually open the electric motor and found one of the possible problems. It seems that could be either an issue with the 12 volts accessory battery in these cars, electric cars. It may be battery maybe too low or something, a problem with it, or this may actually indicate water ingress inside the electric motor. And what happens, if you can see, I'll let you watch the video, water gets in there. I'm not going to play back the video because it's not my channel, so let's try to, not sure if you can see. So this guy, yes, there will be a puddle of water right here at the bottom, and there appears, the person who made the video describes that there is a sensor, and water gets at the sensor, then it gets corroded. And this person, notice this was a Kia, I guess, but it's same for Kona. What happens is that the sensor is not available to purchase separately, and the person who did this repair had to replace the entire electric motor. Entire. Not sure if it was under warranty or not. And he describes in video, I'll let you watch the video because it's not mine. He describes there is like a rubber plug here that it's supposed to seal this compartment, and that plug will simply drop from there for some reason. And then water, basically it happens when you drive it through a rain, or maybe if you are going through a car wash. And my advice is to always make sure you secure properly the large under try or splash sheet, the large cover underneath the engine that closes the engine bay area underneath. Engine or motor, actually it's a motor being electrical. So make sure that's sealed. But again, if you are driving through heavy rain or car wash, if you are getting into a car wash and this plug drops from there, just disengages by itself for some reason, then water will get in there. What happens is that at first this message, again, this owner got this message, warning message, and it was intermittent. And my guess is that at first maybe you get through a rain, a bit of water gets in there, you get the message, then the water dries out after a few days, the message goes away. It repeats like this after several such situations with rain or car wash, and at some point the corrosion will get the sensor will corrode too much and will fail. And yes, I have to say that I'm on forums about on Kona EV forums. I don't visit Niro EV, but it's the first time I've seen this problem, this kind of solution, if you want, about this type of message. So it tells me that it may not be, actually I cannot really tell how often it happens, but maybe some of these persons who had this kind of warning message, maybe they got water in there and then the water dried up. So that it's come in some way, it may lead to complete failure, but it may take a while. We don't know how much time, years or months. So watch the video, look in the comment section, and yes, there is no TSB, no recall from Hyundai. And also I want to point out that this was a 2024. It says somewhere in the video the model, it was posted in 2024. This was a 2024 Hyundai car, so that's the second generation, not the first one. And this person said that it may happen in the first as well. So maybe the design is the same. So just be aware of this issue, and maybe tell Hyundai if you have this kind of warning, but they are not going to do anything unless the car won't drive anymore at some point. And I think, if I do remember properly, this is exactly what this person, let me see, because I did ask him, was there? Okay, he does say here the problem with the car, besides that warning message, was the car wouldn't go in drive. Let me just zoom in. Wouldn't go in drive, then the next day it will work, then a few days later it will not work at all. So something like this, something of the sort. So yeah, basically he had to replace completely the entire electric motor. So be aware of this issue, and yeah, hopefully you get lucky and don't have it, but maybe try not to drive in heavy rains. Thanks for watching.